Hello, hey, hi guys. Good afternoon. So let's start a new topic. Then today's new topic is like as a saying ki how to create Node.js project structure, like as a better for Node.js project structure, how to managing the easily component repository, on how to managing the your project configurations, so many very easily understanding and better for writing a Node.js code. Let's starting. I'm saying ki how to managing a project structure in React Node.js, and later also creating a video ki how to create a React project structure, how to managing the screens, storage, and like as a how to create a storage, how to managing the folder. Only learning a project structure. Okay, so let's start ki firstly I will say ki this is project structure. My project structure like as a package.json file, git ignore file, tsconfig file, then .env file, not a using .env, sorry, dot development, sorry, not a using dot development file, only a using a .env file. .env means like as your secret key, secret values is all the variables stored in a .env files. Then create a src folder. Src inside a multiple folder. Firstly I will explain the server .ts file. Server.ts file firstly part .env dot configuration means like a .env file reading, and then a synchronous function dot server. Here a port is assigned, otherwise assign the port .env file. And second is like as a configuration also. Configuration means reading the variables in .env and creating a variables. Okay, then app inside like as a import the whole the packages globally package, like as a express form data paths, and then creating a constant app is equal to express application. Then app dot use cross star, like as a you're getting sometime cross issue, then so origin assign the dot star here. Then disable, and here is the public and a very important key app dot use slash api. Slash api means like as a your any api creating, like as a login api, or then your domain slash api slash login. Okay, then I will, and api router I will show you. Okay, firstly I will explain the controller means like as a whole your business logic. Okay, like as a your login, add user, then create user, delete user, so different user, like as a here assets controller, auth controller, then banner controller, the category feedback controller, like as a so many your controller. Okay, controller inside. Then driver inside a database, like as I am right now I am using a MongoDB. Here MongoDB is assigning all the database is creating. Then Firebase configuration, then how to connect Google Cloud Firebase connecting, and inside here the all the using the import file and export here. Okay, SMS, how do SMS, like as a SMS, how to sending a user in globally function created. And storage management, like as here I am using Azure storage. Then Azure globally create a class inside a globally get container, yeah, save files, like as a all the controller calling the driver inside the globally variables. Then middleware means like as a your token id here, communication the app to backend, like as a not a third party any person your api accessing. Then the like as a here checking the tokens. On login means like as a your app to backend communication, and admin login means like as your admin site, yeah, your website is communication the backend, node.js backend. Okay, here the easily access the easily checking key, how to data, how to API calling and backend getting the result. I will see the one by one. Then token configuration, I am using a ts sorry, JWT simple for creating a token. Here is I am creating a token. Okay, firstly encoding and decoding, like as a any API calling the token. Here token is a secret format, then API firstly getting and decode and is correctly checking key your token is invalid, yeah, valid, is correct or you're incorrect. Okay, then if your token is properly, then send the response. Okay, here I am saying here token login is login user, otherwise authentication unauthenticated user. Here middlewares means like as a in app to backend communication the middlewares. Then repository means like as a, I am using a MongoDB here. I will show the one repository, which repository, like as a user repository. Okay, user repository inside a user.models, user.schema, user.static, user.types. Here types is mainly declare the user interface. User interface means mobile number, password, token, and create here is interface user document and creating a model interface. Okay, and here multiple function like as a find user, user by mobile number, find user by find user info by types. Okay, then statistic inside a creating a function like as a here your business logic, like as a find logic, find user, getting the mobile number and password. Here record is avail dot is mobile number password in, if is correctly I will dot select dash password is remove is every user field, and all the data is getting them pass the return the back. Okay, schema means like as a here type means is a interface which parameter is defined, and schema means your database collection inside of which field is present or not field. If you passing here in mobile number password, app push token, web push token, date and last updated, you passing the another variable in app side or website, then don't not inserting the MongoDB inside. Firstly creating a schema is all inside all the keys available, then your data is insert the MongoDB, otherwise do not insert the schema and values, keys and values. Okay, models is creating a models, like as I am firstly importing the all the schema and types, and then creating a export constant models, and then here is my users is collection name, and all the repository I am the accessing the DB inside, and DB inside firstly import and DB inside export. Okay, then response handler means like as a response handler also using a communication the app application API getting to backend. Okay, routers means is creating a multiple routers like as a auth, available area, banners, category, feedback, like as I will show the auth router. Here auth router is firstly express router, then response handler and app controller, auth controller. Okay, and then here is class auth controller, public auth router, then here creating a one variable this dot author is, and like as a here this dot auth router dot get user list is your response handler auth user list, or user controller is user list. Here I will show the here creating a one here create firstly class auth controller inside a create a one function, like the function is public user list. Then constant db is equal to connect, let user list is equal to await db. Db is connect. Where is connect? Like as a driver database. Here is driver database, and then okay, db dot user finding dot find order by descending, and all the user information, then the response sending, like as a return status code is equal to status code and body is equal to user info, and passing the successfully error message, otherwise you are rejected error message. Okay, here then you calling like as a here firstly user list. How to call? Firstly creating all your router, create a different function, then index.ts file. Here firstly import the auth router from auth, and create a this dot app router, then use auth and auth controller, like as a your domain, like as a here I am running the code, npm run dev means like as I am package.json inside the here package.json dev ts end dash dash res pano dot esrc server dot, firstly running the server dot ts, फिर app dot ts, and then specific router. Okay, here path is like as your domain, like as a local host 8080, then app inside API, then auth, then user list. This is correct your API format, and you getting the result. Like as I am showing you, okay, then like as also using a ngrok. Okay, here also I will show ngrok https 8080. Okay, here okay, session is multiple. Okay, another location I am using same ngrok. Okay, then here I am mentioning remove the these and localhost 8080, and API auth inside a generate OTP. I will show the auth inside generate OTP like this. This dot auth router dot post generate OTP, like the response handler means middleware the communication, and auth controller here is, otherwise you passing the like as a admin login record. Admin login record means like as a here middleware communication is correctly token or not token. If is correctly token, then calling the auth controller in function, otherwise don't calling. Right now here is not using middleware token because is login flow, not a app inside. Firstly is login flow is not record for token. If you user is login your app, then starting the journey your token wise. Okay, so I am basic and types inside like as a multiple type, like as a I show you assets inside a interface declare image upload inside folder and names, then notification inside your notification part body, like as a notification body is title body data. Okay, profile inside like as a delivery location inside coming to id address and postal code. Here multiple is like as a token data is id and domain. Response is like as a status code declare enum, and here status and body inside status, error or otherwise success message string, and data is NA formatting. Okay, here types means is a declaration the interface, models declaration, multiples you have model like a login different model user profile. So this is a correct way, my suggestion is correct way ki for Node.js is application development. Models like as a creating a business logic, driver is a globally creating a variables and function, middleware is communication the app and backends. A repository means like as your database is writing a function and accessing and inserting database. Then response handler also the communication, the app and backend, the and routers inside a create a your backend endpoints. Okay, types inside a create a your interface and models is good for backend structure for Node.js in creating. So have a nice day and don't forget for subscribe and share. Good day, goodbye.